Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday at Dollar General, which will be August the 28th. I have a total of 6 scenarios for you and one is completely free. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So first up, I have a few tips that I want to go over for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General. And also, if you are new to this channel, please leave me a comment down below telling me that you are a new subscriber so that I can welcome you into our crazy couponing family. Alright, so here's a few tips that you want to keep in mind when you do your deals on Saturday. Keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item in the app under the list feature to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. Also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store, and even if you are 1 penny under that $25 mark, that 5 off $25 coupon will not attach. So here is how I go about checking out on Saturday when I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then I'll verify that my subtotal is $25 or more, and keep in mind that that is before taxes. Now, if you're at a store that has the newer keypads, you will have to ask the cashier what your subtotal is. If you're at a store with an older keypad, it will actually show you the subtotal on the screen. Next, I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have those older keypads, it will actually show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. And this very last tip here is very important. If your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be after the coupons come off, you can always void the transaction and try again, because the digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will still work because the transaction was never completed. So if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, don't be afraid to void the transaction. It happens all the time. That's why that button is there. You can just take all of your items to the side, scan everything again, and double check to see that the digital coupons are attaching. And it could be something as simple as you grabbed the wrong scented item. Maybe that digital coupon isn't attaching to the Moonlight Breeze Gain, but it will attach to the original Gain product, something like that. So just don't be afraid to do that. That is exactly why that void button is there. Alright, so for this first scenario, we have a food deal. So you want to pick up 2 boxes of the Quaker Oatmeal 7 count for $4. Those are $2 each. 2 bags of Lay's potato chips for $5. 1 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 6 packs for $3.75. 1 of the Pearl Milling pancake mixes for $2.50. That is a typo there. I don't know why it says paper milling, but it is supposed to be Pearl Milling. 1 of the Naked Juices for $2.50. 1 of the Folgers 7 count singles for $1. 3 of the Animal Cracker Cookies for $2, 1 Tasty Cake 6 count donuts for $1, 1 of the St. Joseph's aspirin for $2, 1 of the Vicks VapoCool 20 count cough drops, you can find those in the dollar aisle, and 1 Lysol product for $1, also found in the dollar aisle. You can pick up the wipes, the toilet bowl cleaner, or the multi-surface cleaners. Your subtotal will be $25.75. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons, so you want to make sure you've got your 5 off 25, the 2 off 2 Quaker products, the 1 off 1 Lay's, the 2 off 2 Pepsi's and Lay's product, the 1 off 1 Pearl Milling pancake mix, the 150 off 1 Naked Juices, 1 off 1 Folgers, 50 cent off 1 Tasty Cake, 1 off 1 St. Joseph's aspirin, the 1 off 1 Vicks VapoCool, and the 50 cent off 1 Lysol. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.25 for 15 items, making each item just 61 cents each. Alright, so for this next scenario, we're going to take advantage of the Arm & Hammer Instant Savings. So when you spend $15, you'll instantly save $5 at the register. So we want to make sure that our subtotal is at least $30 in order for that 5 off 25 to work. So you're going to want to pick up 1 of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents, 131.25 ounces for $9. 1 of the Arm & Hammer dryer sheets for $3.50. 1 of the Arm & Hammer scent beads for $3.50. 1 of the Bic Flex 3 men's razors for $4. 1 of the Bic 10 count pens for $1. 1 of the Tom's of Maine's kids toothpaste for $3.50. And the ones that are priced at $3.50 are the 4.2 ounce kids toothpaste. Then you're going to want to pick up one of the Tom's of Maine's kids toothpaste that is 5.1 ounces. Sorry that I didn't add that one in there, but one's priced at $3.50 and one is priced at $4. Then you're going to want to pick up two of the Biofreeze 1 count patches for $3.50. Those are $1.75 each. So your subtotal will be $32. That $5 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and that is going to bring your new subtotal down to $27. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you want to make sure you've got your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Arm & Hammer digital coupon that is specifically for the 131.25 ounce liquid laundry detergent. Then we have two 1 off 1 Arm & Hammer digital coupons as well. We have a 4 off 1 Bic razors, the 1 off 1 Bic pens, the 2 off 1 Tom's of Maine product, the 2 off 1 Colgate / Tom's of Maine product, the 2 off 1 Biofreeze, and the 2 50 off 1 Biofreeze. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.52 for 9 items, but hang on, it gets just a little bit better. Because right now on Ibotta, we have a rebate for the Tom's of Maine's children's toothpaste. So that's for $1 back on each one that you purchase. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get a total of $2 back. That's going to make your final price just $3.52 for all 9 items, or just 39 cents each. And I think that is an amazing deal considering you're getting all of those laundry products. Now, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, I don't know what you're waiting on. I highly recommend this app. I love it. I use it all the time. I have actually been with them for years now. I should probably actually check to see what my lifetime earnings is on that app, but I'll update you guys in the next one. But I know it's definitely over $1,000 right now, and that is a pretty good deal. But if you are totally new to couponing and you don't know what I'm talking about, if you've never heard of the Ibotta app, I do have a video linked in the description box below on how to sign up and use Ibotta. It pretty much walks you through step by step on the sign up process, how you get your money back, all that good stuff. So go and check out that video. And then if you want to sign up, my referral code is on the screen as well as in the description box below. They are running a pretty good promotion right now where if you use my referral code after you scan in your first receipt, you'll get an extra $10. Now, during this promotion, I will also receive an extra $10 if you use my referral code, so that does help me out as well. And I do want to say thank you all so much for anyone out there who has used my referral code this week, or if you plan on using it, I really do appreciate it. You know, it's just $10, but hey, $10 goes a long way in my household because you guys know I love saving that money. So thank you all so much. It really does help me out, and it really does go a long way. Alright, now we're going to get back into these scenarios. So here is another really good one that you can do. You want to pick up one of the Tide Pods or the liquid laundry detergent for $8.95. One of the Downy citrus and vanilla fabric softeners for $2.95. 3 of the Olay 2-count bar soaps for $7.50. They are $2.50 each. 2 of the Biofreeze 1-count patches for $3.50. They are $1.75 each. 1 of the Bic 10-count pens for $1, and 1 of the Bic Simply Soleil 3-count razors for $3.30. Your subtotal will be $27.20. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Tide, the 2 off 1 Downy, the 5 off 3 Olay, 2 off 1 Biofreeze, 2 50 off 1 Biofreeze, 1 off 1 Bic pens, and 4 off 1 Bic razors. Your subtotal after coupons will be $3.72 for 9 items, or just 41 cents each. Alright, now we're going to get into some low out-of-pocket deals. So here are the ones that are my favorite. So you want to pick up one of the Always Discreet 26-count liners at $3, one of the Oral-B 2-count indicator toothbrushes for $3, 3 of the Olay 2-count bar soaps for $7.50, 1 of the Tom's of Maine 5.1-ounce kids toothpaste at $4, 1 of the Tom's of Maine Wicked Fresh mouthwash for $3.60. Now, you may be able to find this in your clearance section or in the regular section. Make sure you check both. And 1 of the Bic Flex 3 razors for $4. Your subtotal will be $25.10. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, 2 off 1 Always Discreet 5 off 3 Olay, 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, 2 off 1 Colgate, 2 off 1 Tom's of Maine product, 4 off 1 Bic razors, and your subtotal after coupons will be $3.10 for 8 items. Now, I do want to make a little note on this. You do want to ring up your Tom's of Maine's kids toothpaste first before the mouthwash, because you want that Colgate coupon to attach to the children's toothpaste, not the mouthwash. And that way, both coupons will have something to attach to. And this scenario gets a little bit better because we have those Tom's of Maine product rebates on Ibotta. So we have $1 back for the children's toothpaste, and we have $1.30 back on the Tom's of Maine mouthwash. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get a total of $2.30 back. That will make your final price just 80 cents for 8 items, or just 10 cents each. Now, how awesome is that? Alright, so for this scenario, you want to pick up 3 of the Olay 2-count bar soaps for $7.50, 1 of the Oral-B indicator toothbrush 2-count for $3, 1 of the 4.2-ounce Tom's of Maine's kids toothpaste for $3.50, 1 of the Tom's of Maine's kids toothpaste, that is the 5.1-ounce for $4, 3 of the Suave 10-ounce lotions for $6, they are $2 each, and 1 of the Bic Flex 3 razors for $4. Your subtotal will be $28 right on the dot. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 5 off 3 Olay, the 2 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 2 off 1 Tom's of Maine product, the 2 off 1 Colgate, the $2 off when you spend $6 on Suave, the $1.50 off 1 Suave lotion. If you have the 1 off 1, that's okay too. You'll just pay 50 cents extra. Then you're going to need the 2 off 2 Suave and the 4 off 1 Bic razors. Your subtotal after coupons will be $2.51 for 10 items. But again, you can submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get a total of $2 back for buying 2 Tom's of Maine's kids toothpaste. So that is going to make your final price just 51 cents for 10 items, making those just 5 cents each. Now again, if you have the 1 off 1 Suave lotion coupon instead of the 150 off one, that'll just make your final price, what, $1.01 for 10 items. So that's still a great deal. Alright, and last but not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. Here is our completely free scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Folgers 7-count singles for $1, 1 of the Vicks Vapo Cool cough drops for $1. You can find those in the dollar aisle. 2 of the Biofreeze 1-count patches for $3.50. They're $1.75 each. 1 of the Always Discreet 26-count liners for $3. 1 of the Downy Citrus and Vanilla fabric softeners for $2.95. 2 of the Lysol products that you can find in the dollar aisle. Again, you can pick up the wipes, the toilet bowl cleaner, or the multi-surface cleaners. Those are $1 each. 3 of the Olay 2-count bar soaps for $7.50, and 3 of the Suave 10-ounce lotions for $6. They are $2 each. Your subtotal will be $26.95. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Folgers, the 1 off 1 Vicks Vapo Cool cough drops, 2 off 1 Biofreeze, 2.50 off 1 Biofreeze, 2 off 1 Always Discreet, 2 off 1 Downy, 50 cents off 1 Lysol, 50 cents off 1 Lysol, the 5 off 3 Olay, the $2 off when you spend $6 on Suave products, the 1.50 off 1 Suave, and the 2 off 2 Suave lotions. So that will make this scenario completely free, plus give you 5 cents in overage. And that overage should go ahead and take 5 cents off of the taxes that you have to pay. So that makes it even better. So you should just end up paying a few cents out of pocket and you are good to go. So completely free, 14 items. How awesome is that? Now, if you need more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios, I highly recommend you go back and watch my Good Deals and Glitch List video that I uploaded earlier this week. In that video, there are over 100, yes, 100, you heard me right, 100 deals, coupon matchups, and glitches. I went through the app, I went through the ad with a fine-tooth comb. I picked out all the really good coupon matchups, all the glitches, and all the good sales that are going on this week, and I packed that video full of deals for you guys. So, like I said, 100 deals. It's about 30 minutes long, but it is jam-packed full of information. And I do want to remind you guys that we have a lot of really good coupons that we received at the beginning of the month that will be expiring tomorrow. So go back, watch that video, give yourself a little bit of a refresher. And that way, if you get to the store and they're out of stock of something, you'll have a couple of backup ideas. So that way you can substitute some items in and out if your store's out of stock of something or whatever it may be. But go back, check out that video. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. And I'm also going to ask you guys, Miss Deborah Williams Bus is so close to getting over the 1,000 subscriber mark. So I think she's about 100 subscribers away. So if you're not already subscribed, I'm going to leave her channel linked in the pinned comment down below as well. Go and check her out. She is really sweet, very helpful, and very informative. She has a lot of really great deals. So go check her out and hit that subscribe button for me. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you all so much for hanging in there with me during this time that I've been kind of sick, and thank you for sending your well wishes and your prayers. I truly appreciate it. If you can't tell, I am feeling a little bit better today. Still got a little congestion, still got a little bit of a sore throat, but that's okay. We're over the hump and we are getting better now. So thank you all so much again. Now, if you're not already subscribed and you want to become a member of this crazy couponing family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next one.